everybody and welcome to the Blossom Crochet channel once again. I'm just doing a very quick video to show you the yarn that I'm going to be using for the upcoming scarf tutorial. Now obviously for that tutorial you'll be able to use any yarn that you want, but I wanted you to know exactly what I was planning on using because I'm going to do it specifically for using with this yarn amount and meters and things like that. So I'm going to be using the James C. Brett Northern Lights yarn. It's a DK yarn and it says on the band 1 ball 1 shawl. So this is the colour. They don't have names, they just have shade numbers. So this is NL08 and it's this beautiful dreamy pink shades. I really like this one. They also do a blue and a purple version of this, and then they also do really variegated yarns, so really contrasting colours all together as well, which are all beautiful. But I went for this lovely soft pink. I think it's quite a pretty colour and quite delicate as well. And if I go in quite close, you can see you've got all these little flecks as well worked through the yarn, these beautiful white flecks which give it a slightly rustic feel, I think, which I think will look really beautiful when worked up into the scarf. Now this is a 150 gram cake and there we go, you're expected to get approximately 450 meters. So it's a premium acrylic and viscose mix, so obviously that gives it the really nice squishy soft feel. And it recommends 4mm hooks, but I'm just playing about at the moment because I can't decide whether to use a 4mm or whether to go up a hook size to a 5 to try and get a slightly drapier effect, if you know what I mean. So I'm just going to have a little play around with that. But I plan to use just one of these, and these are available from Snufflebean Yarn, who you know I work closely with, and they are I think £5.80 something a ball, so really good value. It, like I say, to hope to get an entire project out of this for less than £6 is super good value. So I don't really have much else to say about the Northern Lights. The only thing I will say is that if you want to see this in another colourway, or if you want to see something else that you can make with one of these, then do check out the Hooked by Robin tutorial that I will leave a link for in the description, because she did a really beautiful shawl using the Northern Lights. So like I say, I'll leave a little link in the description box for that if you want to go and have a look, because it's a really beautiful project that she did with the Northern Lights. But that's all for this one. I will see you for a tutorial really soon. Bye for now.